Hey guys, welcome to Gordon's Garage. Today I'm going to show you stuff that can make noises under your car. So I got this Chrysler Sebring here. So what I found out when I was driving over stones, like we have a lot of here in this old town, there were some noises like you say clappering under the car. So what I did, I just put this motherfucker up, and there was this part of the car. As you can see, there was already somebody working on it. So what it actually should look like is to see here on this side. As you can see, there is something missing that keeps that line here in position. And as the material was already given up, it just went down. And so I don't know if I can show you this, but let me try. Oh yeah, just use that right hand. So as you can see, this thing here is moving against this part here. As you can see, there's already marks. So I brought it already out, and I will show you on the next. So this is the part that I took away, and as you can see, it is really pretty rusty. Well, it's not bad, but what is bad is actually that this material is very thin here. Like, I believe this is it lost material here, so it got thin. And as you can see when I move this one here, so this will break very soon. So I am going to rebuild this part to fix that line under the car again. So how we're going to do is we will take some metal sheet, and then we will cut. This is 1 millimeter, so we will cut this out, and I will melt it together instead of just give it a clamp. So I will weld it together, and then I will bring it back under the car. As you can see here, I wasn't that bad with my 24, millimeters. I was already got the screw just in the hole, and yeah, when I mount that screw, I will pretty much hold it in position. So yeah, that was a pretty easy repair, don't you think so? Hi guys, so I put the part in position, and now the Chrysler is back on its wheels again, and I will just make a test drive and see if the noise is away, and if not, I have to look a little bit more, but I guess we're pretty much done with that. So if you ever find some noises on your car, check always your mountings and fittings, and yeah, stay safe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, bye.